Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm pretty excited to talk about one of my favorite lenses and some reasons why I highly recommend you guys to get one as well. As you can see from this video thumbnail, the lens that I'm gonna talk about today is the Canon EF 24 to 105mm IS II USM with F4L. F4? Yes, F4. F4? Are you serious? Yes, it's F4. You guys might not like the idea of having the F4, right? But let me tell you what, I've been using this lens for more than 3 years now. And this lens is still one of my favorite. When I say it's my favorite, I mean I carry it along wherever I go, although it's a heavy lens. That is why I would like to share my experience about this lens with you guys today. Hey guys, if you don't know me, I'm Paravuth. I make different videos and app review for both Mac OS and Windows, Android and iOS, tutorials and photography and filming tips. Be sure to subscribe my channel to get more useful videos in the future. First of all, let's talk about its capability. This lens offers incredible versatility. It has been redesigned to deliver superb L-series optical performance that pairs smoothly with a high-resolution, full-frame sensors of SLR cameras. It comes with high-performance standard zoom ranges with constant f4 aperture and a broad angle of view covering from wide angle to mid telephoto, meaning that whatever the zoom range you use, the f remain 4 unless you change it, which helps to maintain the brightness and the quality of the image. This is a true walk-around lens that can be used for any number of shooting scenarios, from landscapes and portraits to snapshots, sports and more, offering effective all-day performance for advanced photography and videography. This lens comes with an image stabilizer with up to 4 stops of shade correction. Thus, it's more reliable handheld performance and clearer detail in low light situations or at lower ISOs. Especially, it can also minimize the need for a tripod. Because of this new technology, this lens still captures sharp images. Therefore, having this lens is a game changer. The next point, which is also worth mentioning, is dust and water resistant. This lens is highly resistant to dust and water intrusion, enabling shooting even in harsh conditions. With an L-series lens, this lens is built to endure photography and movie making in even the harshest conditions. It features a dust and water resistant construction on the switch panel, the zoom, the focal rings and the lens mount, helping to prevent dust and moisture from interfering with operation. The next point that I would like to talk about this lens is the autofocus. This lens is equipped with inner focusing ring USM, the high-speed CPU and optimized AS for fast and accurate autofocusing. It is engineered to provide fast, accurate operation for efficient performance across the board. Now it comes to the price of this lens. How much is this lens? With the F4. Well, this lens has been available on the market since the 25th of August 2016. But the price of this lens doesn't drop much. You can get it for now about $1,000. Check the link in my video description if you are planning to get one. Personally, $1,000 is not expensive, because what you get from this lens is all the zoom ranges that all professionals use, like the 24, the 35, the 50, the 85, and 105. So it sounds like you carry 5 different lenses with you already. So imagine you have to buy all the lenses separately. You will have to pay more than that, at least $3,000 or $4,000 just for the 5 lenses. For example, the 35 with f1.8 it costs $500, and the 50 with f1.4 costs $400, and the 85 with f1.4 costs $1,600. Well, you might say it is impossible to compare the f4 with the f1.4 or the f1.8. I agree that it sounds unfair to compare the f4 with the f1.4, but the only difference here is the light that can come through into your lens, making the image brighter and sharper. But if you love taking photos with enough lights, like in the morning or daytime, the f4 is the perfect one you should go to. Because again, you get to experience all the zoom ranges this lens offers at this reasonable price. Okay, so now let's get out of this place and let's take some photos outdoor. Okay guys, so in this video I'm going to test all the focal lengths of this lens. So as you can see, so I'm using the 24 to 105, and I will show you all the results, comparison result that I'm going to test on this lens as well. So let's do a real quick photo shoot, because I got a security guard come and ask me what I'm doing. I'm using the GoPro Hero 6 so that you guys can see what is the distance that I'm holding this camera. So this is the 24, and now I'm moving to 35, and one more, 50. So it's getting closer now, 50 with the same distance. This is 70 and 85, and the last one is 105, and I want you to see the background. Okay guys, so now let's do another shot real quick. Now I'm increasing the f to 13. Okay, so this is the 24. This is the 35. This is the 50. This is the 70. This is the 85. And 105. Okay guys, so after showing you all of the photo results from this lens, I still highly recommend you to get one as well, because again, you get all the zoom ranges that all professionals love to use. The 24, the 35, the 50 and the 85 millimeters, and especially 105 millimeters. So with all of the choices you can get from this lens, it somehow gives you an idea what the 24 look like, what the 35, what the 85 look like. And then maybe in the future, when you have more budget, why not investing in a brighter lens like the f1.4 or f1.2. As I mentioned earlier, despite the weight of the lens, it's quite heavy of course, I still carry this lens along wherever I go. So yeah, I love using it because the IS, the autofocusing is quite accurate, and I love the fact that I can use different zoom ranges from the 24 to 105. I love all the results from this. And one more thing that I would like to share with you as well is most of my YouTube videos are shot using the 24 to 105 millimeters. It's not the best lens to shoot a video indoor, but if you have enough lighting in the room setup and increase the ISO a bit, you can get the result you want as well, as I have used this lens for some unboxing videos so far and I love the results that I get from the lens. Okay, so I think that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you haven't already, and I hope to see you guys in the next videos. Thanks.